Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. Today I got a little inexpensive but important piece for your Maverick X3. This is the Shroud support bracket for your radiator fan. And here's why this is a good thing to add to your machine. The shroud for your radiator fan from OEM, you can see it's all plastic construction. And right here where it bolts on, this is actually one that broke. And you can break this piece just from aggressive driving, or if you do have an impact to the front, it's fairly easy to break that. What's nice about this bracket is that you can use it to repair, basically, one that's already damaged, or you can bolt this on before this happens and prevent it from happening. But the way it works is really simple. You just remove your two OEM bolts. This just slides right onto the back side. There's a couple lips on the bottom, so you can put it in the right spot very easily. Once it's on there, you're just gonna mark these two holes right here. You're gonna drill a hole for that. We include hardware for those two spots. We also include new bushings and rubber grommets for the bracket. But again, it just goes right on the back. You're gonna reuse the OEM bolts, bolt it right back on, you're good to go. So it's a simple, easy fix if you've already damaged your shroud or if you wanna prevent that from happening. So again, shroud support bracket for your Can-Am X3, Maverick Sport, Maverick Trail. Grab yours today. Don't let this happen. Click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com right now to get yours. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.